Welcome to Yeeflow Data List Tutorial Series. Today, we're focusing on creating data fields tailored to your needs. Let's start by creating a new field. On your Yeeflow data list, simply click Add New Column. Please note that if you do not have creator permissions, you will not be able to add any new fields. In the pop-up window, you can customize the field properties. In the Field Type drop-down menu, you have a variety of options to tailor your data input needs. For textual data, you can select from single line, multiple line, and rich text options, ensuring versatility in text entry. For numerical data, the choices include number, currency, and percent fields, catering to different numerical representations. If you require selection capabilities, single select and multiple select fields are available, allowing for clear choices. For temporal data, date and time fields provide precise timekeeping options. Additionally, there are specialized field types such as attachment, image, and lookup, among others, offering a wide range of functionalities to suit diverse data management requirements. Now, for the typical text input, select the single line field. Assign a display name that reflects its role in your data list. Then set the properties related to this field. While various field types have unique settings, some properties are common across different fields, such as unique value, placeholder, and required. Unique value means that duplicated value is not allowed if it's on. Placeholder will be displayed when it's blank. Required means that it will be mandatory to fill if it's on the form. For this single line field, you can limit verbosity with a max length. You can also set a default value for the field. In addition, you can choose whether or not to encrypt this data. Please note that encrypted fields cannot be unique values. Click Save Bottom to save your settings. You should now be able to see the new field in your data list. When dealing with numbers, opt for the number field. After naming your field, engage with familiar settings: unique value, placeholder, required, and default value. For number fields, you can set the thousand separator and decimal rounding. Choose your thousand separator wisely, as it differs from region to region. Select the precision for rounding decimals to a maximum of 10 decimal places. Constrain your numerical narratives between minimum and maximum values. Step value. The step of increase or decrease value by clicking the up/down button on the right input box. Minimum number that are accepted. Finalize with save and let numbers enrich your data's dialog. For a list of predefined options, use the single select field. It allows for a clear and concise drop-down selection. Set the display name, unique value, and required. There are two options for display style: radio button and drop-down. Radio button. This style is perfect for shorter lists. It allows all options to be visible at a glance and provides a quicker selection process. Turn on the Enable Color button to make your list easier to read. It comes with 3 default choices that you can customize with different colors and text. To add more, just click the Add button. Click the Delete icon to remove the choice, and drag the 6 dots button to change the order. That's the basic settings of radio button. Next, let's move on to the drop-down settings. Drop-down. This style is suitable when the list of options is long. It saves space on the form and only reveals the options when the user clicks on the drop-down. When the drop-down is selected, most settings are like those for the radio button, but there's an extra option to set placeholder text for the drop-down, guiding users as they make their selection. Complex data. The calculation field automatically computes values based on other fields. Name it, determine uniqueness, and step into the expression editor to weave your formula. Here, set it to the unit price multiplied by the quantity. Define the data type it returns and let your data list compute with precision. Here it is set to the currency form, as well as setting the properties of the currency. First, Select the appropriate currency. Then select the form of display, as well as the thousand separator and decimal rounding. Finally, keep your formulas safe with Save and watch your data change with real-time calculations. With Yeeflow, creating data fields is efficient and flexible, perfect for your dynamic data lists. Explore more features and become a Yeeflow Pro by checking out our other tutorials. Thank you for watching.